We have finished the chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. So let's continue with the revision, and side by side we will discuss the related questions of the assignment also. So let's start with the revision of the assignment. Same type of questions are there that we have done in the chapter. So question number 1 is, you have given two equations and this question is exactly of the same type that we have discussed yesterday. Last question we have discussed in the exercise, optional exercise of the chapter, that is exactly same. 27x plus 31y is equal to 85. 31x plus 27y is equal to 89. So this is the equation. These two equations I have written. Have you noticed this thing that coefficient of x and y are same? Coefficient of y and x are same in both the equations. So what you will do, this is exactly same as the question that we have done yesterday. For this you will add 1 and 2. You can give it number 1 and number 2. Add 1 and 2 and you will subtract these two equations. So after addition what you will get is 58x plus 58y is equal to 174. This is your equation number 3. Now subtract 1 and 2. So after subtraction, what you will get? Minus 4x plus 4y is equal to minus 4. Is it okay? I have added these two equations and I have subtracted these two equations. So we have got this. So can I take 4 common? You can take minus 4 common as well if you want to take. Take minus 4 common. This is your x minus y is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 cancel out. X minus y is equal to 1. This is your equation number 4. This is your third equation. This is your fourth equation. Now you will solve these two equations. What you will do? Can we change this equation after taking common? Is something common in this? Yes, you can take 58 common. So equation will become x plus y is equal to 3. Okay? Is it okay? So this is your equation number 3. This is the only reason to add them or subtract them, so that the coefficient that are exactly same and they are very big number, we want to reduce them. That's why I have added. Or after addition, it is reduced to x plus y, and after subtraction it is reduced to x minus y. Now both the equations have reduced to lowest term, so you can solve them, you can add them, because y is having two different signs. So you will add 3 and 4. So x plus y is equal to 3, x minus y is equal to 1. So this will give you 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4. If you remember that yesterday we have got the same answer for that question also. Y will come 1. So x minus y is equal to 1, x is 2. So y you will get as 1. So value of x and y we have got by the same method that we have followed yesterday. Is it clear? Yes, Arsheen. बिल्कुल कर सकते हो. हाँ जी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, कर सकते हैं. टेक स्क्रीनशॉट बेटा. Done. Okay. Now the second question is, in the second question you have given two equations are given and the condition is given that they have infinite many solution, and for the infinite solution you will use the condition. Yes, anyone who can tell me the condition for the infinite solution? equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Alpha x, alpha plus beta y is equal to 20. These two equations are given and the condition is infinite many solution. Two missing variables are there, alpha, beta, you will find them. So the condition for infinite solution is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Means 2 upon alpha, 3 upon alpha plus beta is equal to 7 upon 28. You can cancel it out. This will give you 1 by 4. Now, you have to solve them. So, it's better to solve first with the last so that you will get alpha in the first step. 2 by alpha is equal to 1 by 4. Alpha is equal to 8. Now, compare the second with the last one. The value of alpha we have got as 80. So, 8 you can put here 8 plus beta is equal to 1 by 4, cross multiply 8 plus beta into 1, 4 3s are 12, beta will give you 4 value. Hope it is clear. Now, in the beginning, when we have discussed similar type of question in the book, I have told you whatsoever variable you will get, you will justify it by putting in this equation. So put alpha beta here, you will write here verify. Verification you can write 8, 3 upon 8 plus 12, sorry, 8 plus 4 and this is your 1 by 4. Now cancel it out and check whether you are getting the same ratio. 3 by 12 which is same as 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. That means answers we have got as alpha 8, beta 4 is very much correct. Is it okay? Any problem? Any doubt, beta? Okay. Let's start with the third question, that is the statement sum, and I think this type of sum we haven't discussed in the book. Sum of digits type question, 2-digit number type question, I think we haven't discussed in the chapter now, but you must have studied in the previous class. In question number 3, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 8. As you know that whenever we talk about a 2-digit number, it can be written as 2 into 10 plus 5 in the standard form. In the general form, you can say. In the expanded form, 2 is at the tens place, so it will be 2 multiplied by 10 plus 5. If the number is 143, then 1 into 100, because 1 is at the 100 place, 4 is at the tens place, and 3 is at the ones place. So you will write its expanded form in this. So in the same manner, you will proceed with the question number third. In the third question, you have given the sum of the digits. A 2-digit number is given, but the digits are not given. So what you will do, let the digit at unit place be x, at tens place be y. So number will become yx. Is it okay? Tens place, unit place. So number will become yx. But if the number become yx, so can we say that number is y is at the tens place, so 10 into y plus x. This is the general form of the number. Y is at the tens place, so y will be multiplied with 10 and x is at the unit place, so it will be 10y plus x. So this is your number. Always in case of number, first step is to find a number. This will give you answer. So at the end, when you will finding the answer, you will put y and x in this number. Now the first condition that is given according to question is sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 8. दोनों digits का sum 8 है. So this is your condition number. Now let's read the question and get the second equation. and the difference between the number and that of the difference between the number means they are talking about this number and the number formed by reversing the digits x y की जगह y x की जगह तो new number will be formed. New number will be 10x plus y. अब आपको क्या कहता है इन दोनों का जो डिफरेंस है that is 18. Nana is there in the class. Nana, this is same that you have asked me the question. उसमें भी सेम था. 2 डिजिट नंबर ले लिया उसका रिवर्स कर दिया उन दोनों का डिफरेंस जो है वो 18 है. उसमें भी सेम करना है ऐसे. 10y minus y is 9y. 9x plus minus minus sign will be of the greatest. So this will give you y minus x is equal to 2 minus x plus y is equal to 2. This is your equation number 2. Now, how you will find x and y? And x and y you will put in this to get the number. Yes. What you will do? You will add or subtract. You can do anything, add or subtract, but better to add them. Add 1 and 2. X plus y is equal to 8 minus x plus y is equal to 2. This is 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 5. Put y is equal to 5 in 1. X plus 5 is equal to 8. X is equal to 3. Now the number is, in the end we want to find the number. Number is 10y plus x. You can put the number in this x and y or you can directly write the answer as well. ये tens place है, ये unit place है, 53 बन गया. नहीं करना तो put भी कर सकते हैं. So your answer is 53. Keep this thing in mind that this is the reverse number, that is new number, reverse number. तो आपने ये find नहीं करना, you have to find the number. अगर कहा हो find the number and reverse number, then you will find 53 and 35 both. Arsheen, please have screenshot. Is it okay? Any doubt? Question number 4. In the question number 4, this is different type of question. We haven't done this. Age वाले question तो किए हैं, but this type is little bit different. Question is, the age of the father is twice the age of his 2 children. The sum of the age of 2 children. Father की जो age है वो अपने children की age का twice है, दोनों की sum करके. मतलब 2 children है, दोनों की age को total करते हैं, उसका twice करते हैं, तो father की age आ जाती है. After 20 years, his age मतलब father's age will be equal to the sum of the ages. कहता है 20 ईयर के बाद जो फादर की एज होगी वो 2 चिल्ड्रन की एज के सम के इक्वल होगी. ठीक है. अब आपको कोई रिलेशन नहीं दिया. अगर आप 2 चिल्ड्रन की एज को एक्स और वाई लेते हो तो व्हाट अबाउट द फादर्स एज? फादर की एज को थर्ड वेरिएबल तो ले नहीं सकते, तो आप क्या करोगे? यू विल कंसीडर द एज ऑफ द 2 चिल्ड्रन टोटली एज वन वेरिएबल. लेट एज ऑफ फादर be x, sum of age of 2 children is y. So according to question, the first condition is the age of the father is twice the age of sum of the age of 2 children. So your first condition is x minus 2y equal to 0. This is your first equation. After 20 years, father's age will be, what will be the father's age? X plus 20. And sum of age of two children will be, yes, can anybody tell me what will be the sum of age of two children? Will it be y plus 20? Is it okay? दो चिल्ड्रन है, दोनों की एज का सम y है, दोनों की एज आफ्टर 20 इयर्स क्या होगी? अगर एक चिल्ड्रन 20 इयर्स इंक्रीज होगा एज में तो दूसरा भी तो होगा, तो इट विल बी y plus 20 that is y plus 40. Okay, now the according to question, let's find the another condition that after 20 years the age of the father will be same as the age, sum of the age of two children. So this will give you x minus y is equal to 20. This is your equation number 2. Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? Anything you want to ask till this step? There is no other way to solve this, beta. Actually, separately between the two children, no relation is given. So you have to consider it as a one variable. So if you try to take two age of two children separately as x and y, then what you will suppose the age of the father? So if you solve in this manner, then you will get only one equation. I have tried in this manner also, but in this case you will find only one equation. Then it's not possible to solve this. Two variables will always form two equations. Then only you will be able to solve it. So that's why we are doing in this manner. So subtract, instead of adding you have to subtract 1 and 2. Do you know why I have subtracted instead of addition? If you add x and x will give you 2x, this is 3y. So you will not be able to remove the variable. You are not able to eliminate the variable. So that's why I have to subtract them so that one variable can be removed at a time to get the value of 1. So this will cancel out, plus minus minus, sign will be of the greater. This is minus 20, y is equal to 20. What was y? Y is the age, sum of the age of two children. And put this y in equation, put y is equal to 20 in 1, x minus 2y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 into 20, that is x minus 40 is equal to 0, x is equal to 40. In this we don't have to find the age of the children, you have to just find the age of the father. So father's age will be 40 years. अगर चिल्ड्रन की एज निकालनी है तो आप सेपरेटली नहीं निकाल सकते. The sum of the age of the two children is 20, but need not to find, it's not asked in the question. So that's it about this question. Any doubt, beta? Any step you are not able to understand, you can ask. नैना, आज आप वो वाला क्वेश्चन ट्राई करना. होप यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व एट योर ओन. If not so, then I will send you the pic today. Now the next question is again about the two-digit number. In the fifth question, a two-digit number is 7 times the sum of the digits. Whenever the two-digit question is there, you will proceed in the same manner. Let the digit at unit place be x, at tens place be y. So always writing the, after supposing the number, you have to write the number. So number is 10 times the tens place plus unit place. So this will give you answer. That's why I have highlighted it. So according to the question, the first condition is number, a two-digit number is का मतलब है equal to 7 times the sum of the digits, means x plus 1. Is it okay? Is it okay? Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? Anything you want to ask till this steps to solve this to get for equation in the standard form? So this is minus 6x plus 3y equal to 0. Shift all the terms on the difference another side to make it positive. This is 2x minus y equal to 0. So this is your equation number 1. बच्चे मैंने बिना देखे ही कर दिया, बिना सोचे, लेकिन आपने क्या करना है, जिस तरफ आपको x बड़ा दिखाई देता है ना, आप इसको उस साइड पे शिफ्ट करना, आपको इतने स्टेप्स नहीं करने पड़ेंगे। अगर आप ये चीज का ध्यान रखते हो ना तो आपका टाइम सेव होगा। देखो कैसे, 7x प्लस 7y माइनस 10y माइनस x, यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू ग्रेटर थी ना, यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ 7x है, तो ऑब्वियसली 7x इज ग्रेटर, तो शिफ्ट दिस टर्म ऑन द अनदर साइड, दिस विल गिव यू 6x माइनस 3y, टेक कॉमन, तो आपका एक स्टेप यहाँ से सेव हो जाएगा। एक वहां पे 4 स्टेप आ रहे थे, यहाँ पे एक लेस आ रहा है। सो दिस इज योर इक्वेशन नंबर 1। नाउ रीड द स्टेटमेंट, द नंबर फॉर्म्ड बाय रिवर्सिंग द डिजिट, if you reverse the digit one new number will be formed, if you reverse the digit one new number will be formed, write that new number will be 10x plus y. Now the question is, the number formed by reversing the digit, means this number they are talking about, the number formed by reversing the digit is का मतलब है equal to 18 less than 18 less than, किससे less than है, the given number. Now read the question again. The number yes, I am explaining this question again. I have supposed the digit at the unit place x, tens place y, so number formed is 10 into tens place plus unit place. In the first condition, it is given that the number formed is का मतलब है equal to 7 times the sum of the digits. इन दोनों digits का sum. इसको solve करके equation आ गई. New number I have formed by reversing. You can write here, after reversing, new number is this. Now the statement is the number formed by reversing the digit is का मतलब है equal to 18 less than, 18 less than means 18 छोटा है, the number, the given number, 18 less than the given number. So ये इससे 18 less है. Now solve it again. As you can see that this is 10x, this is x. So obviously this is greater. So you will shift each term of right hand side to the left. साइन की प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी अगर आप पहले ही ये डिसाइड कर लोगे तो. सो दिस इज 9x minus 9y plus 18 equal to 0. So take 9 common. This will give you x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. 9 will become 0 by 9, that is 0. So this is your equation number 2. What you will do? Minus y, they have same sign. So subtract 1 and 2. तभी कैंसिल होंगे ना जब साइन एक का चेंज हो जाएगा. सबट्रैक्ट कर दो, सॉरी 2x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 0, x माइनस वाई प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 0. साइन चेंज, this will cancel out. 2x minus x will give you x minus 2 equal to 0. x is equal to x2 आ गया आपके. Now put the value of x in, किसी में भी put कर दो, 1 में कर दो. 2 into 2 minus y equal to 0, y is equal to 4. Can you tell me the number? Number is this. ये टेंस प्लेस है, ये यूनिट प्लेस है, 4 to 42. पुट करके भी यही आएगा, डायरेक्टली भी यही है. पुट करके देख लो, 4 into 10, 40 plus 2, 42. डायरेक्टली लिख लो, यूनिट टेंस प्लेस 4, यूनिट प्लेस 2. टेंस प्लेस 4, यूनिट प्लेस 2, तो नंबर बिकम 42. Next question number 6 is exactly same. That is your homework that you will do. Similar type of question we had done in the book. दो questions किए थे, लाइब्रेरी चार्जेस वाला, टैक्सी फेयर वाला, बिल्कुल सेम है, ये आप खुद करोगे. Question number 7 is of graphical representation. That question number 6. Question number 7 is of graphical representation that I am discussing, and you all will draw the graph of that question to find the area of the triangle that I will tell you in this question. And question number 8 is exactly same as 7th. So question number 6 and 8 is your homework today. Okay. So let's continue with question number 7. 6 and 8 homework. Question number 7 is x plus 3y is equal to 6. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Two equations are given. You have to draw the graph of these two equations, and you have to shade the triangle that is formed by these two lines with x-axis. And this similar type of question we have done in the second exercise of the chapter. Last question, second exercise. ये किया था अगर आपको याद हो तो. Now put the value of x 0. मैं verbally भी कर सकते हैं. Directly form the table. Because the numbers are so small, no need to write one by one. You can directly find it. X 0, y 2. Is it okay? Now y 0, x 6, y 1, x 3. Any problem? Always put these two values. Take x as 0, then y as 0. That will give you two values. 1 you will put जहां नंबर है उसके साथ पुट कर दो, माइनस करके डायरेक्टली आ गया. Now put the values here. 1. In the first step you will put x as 0. If you take x as 0, y will be minus 4. If you take y as 0, x will be 6. Now can you tell me any other value? x को 3 ले लो. 3 2 जा 6. 6 इधर जाके हो जाएगा. मैं लिख के दिखा देती हूँ. 6 ये सॉल्व कर देना. अगर आपको थोड़ी सी भी प्रॉब्लम लगे तो ये सॉल्व कर देना. जो वर्बली कर सकते हो वर्बली. एक भी साइन गलत हुआ तो पूरा क्वेश्चन गलत है, क्योंकि ट्रायंगल नहीं बनेगा. Now let's plot the coordinate axis for this. I have to draw the complete coordinate axis. Because why we need the complete coordinate axis? Because the values are positive as well as negative. If all the values were positive, then you can draw simply the first coordinate also. First coordinate. But now here you have to draw. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 maximum value है, so you will take till 6. -1, -2, -3, -4. -4 is the greatest value, means smallest value of all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write x, x dash, y, y dash, -1, -2, -3. और चाहिए होगी तो लिख लेंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. I am removing this part. Now let's plot the value 0 to x is 0, so it will lie on the y-axis. 0 to 6 0, y 0 है तो it will lie on x-axis. एक ही हो गया. x 3, y 1, एक ही हो गया. ये कौन सी इक्वेशन है? इक्वेशन लिख देना यहाँ पे. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, एरोज भी डालने हैं, इक्वेशन भी लिखनी है, साथ साथ करना है. पहले एक काम कर लेना है, फिर दूसरा स्टार्ट करना है. और अगर सब कुछ पहले प्लॉट कर दिया फिर इतनी प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी कि गलत हो जाएगा. पहले एक कंप्लीट कर लो. नाउ स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट. x 0, y -4. x 0 है तो इट विल लाई ऑन y एक्सिस. देख लिया बेटा आपने? x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है तो इट विल लाई ऑन y एक्सिस. ये पॉइंट आएगा, 6 0 ये वाला पॉइंट आएगा, ये कॉमन है दोनों में, x3 y -2। Yes, can anybody tell me the triangle formed by these two lines with x-axis? Which triangle we have formed? Can you tell me the triangle that we have formed? मुझे लगता है क्वेश्चन में ना एक्स एक्सिस लिखा हुआ है, कहता है ये दोनों लाइंस विद एक्स एक्सिस कौन सा ट्रायंगल बनाती है। मुझे नहीं लगता एक्स एक्सिस के साथ ट्रायंगल बन रहा है, वाई के साथ बन रहा है ये वाला ट्रायंगल। इसको शेयर कर, मैं एक बार फिर भी कंफर्म कर लूंगी कि क्वेश्चन में मिस्टेक है या नहीं। अगर नहीं होगी तो मैं आपको दूसरा ट्रायंगल भी बताऊंगी कौन सा होगा, वैसे मेरे हिसाब से है नहीं। तो यहाँ पर आपका ये ट्रायंगल बन रहा है, दैट यू हैव टू शेड, गिव इट नेम ए बी सी। हाउ यू विल फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल? How you will find the area of the triangle? Area of triangle ABC is given by half into base into height. This is the base. ये 4 boxes हैं, ये 2 boxes हैं, ये 4 boxes हैं, ये 2 boxes हैं, टोटल कितने हो गए 6। हाइट कितनी है यहां से लेके यहां तक 6। आंसर इज 18 यूनिट square. Square unit, unit square you can write.